How has YouTube changed my life? Well, I'm not even monetized yet, and I started my YouTube channel in June 2021. I haven't even earned $1 yet. I don't even know from where to begin to describe this, but I'm proud to say that YouTube has changed my life. YouTube was my escape plan as a child. It was kind of the thing that made me happy when I wanted to escape all the pain, all the things that I was enduring at that time. It was the one thing that managed to put a smile on my face. And from there, the child Sondos has promised herself that one day she's gonna grow up and be the reason why she will put a smile on somebody's face. When I was younger, I was watching more videos related to makeup and hair and all of that. And even though that was really fun and that was really beneficial for me, but then I wanted, when I start my YouTube channel, to do something that resonates more with me, let's say. So came travel. Travel is also like an escape plan for me. It's kind of like the escape from all the chaos that was happening in my life, and me learning how to kind of cope with new cultures and with new people. And that taught me a lot, and that kind of healed me in a way. But at the same time, even though travel makes you escape from the place where you're not feeling peace or happy, but it doesn't really heal you and it doesn't really cure you from inside. It just changes the environment and you carry that pain with you from a place to place. So even though travel was a very important part or a chapter in my life and I wanted to include it more in my YouTube channel, still there was something missing. So there was my therapy journey. My therapy journey started in also 2021, and I think I started around June as well. So I believe June 2021 was actually the year of big changes in my life, where I took some bold steps that not everybody is willing to take. I started a YouTube channel and I wanted to kind of put myself out there and start that dream that I always had as a child. And at the same time, I decided to start working on my traumas and the things that trouble me. Back in 2021, I was heavy on affirmations. I was starting the whole self-love journey, not only with the healing aspect, but also with the self-love and understanding the attractions and all of this. So then my first video was actually about affirmations, positive affirmations. And I remember in that video, I was too shy to show my face. And all I did was just share tips, or basically I remember I had a video of candles, and then I was doing the affirmations as a voiceover on the video. But that was my first video. Little by little, I found that people are loving my videos, and I found that people are subscribing to me, people who are engaging with my videos who are not basically like my friends or my family, and it made me happy. It made me give me that push that maybe I should start showing my face. And that gave me a little bit of confidence to start showing my face. And here I am in front of you today. So first lesson learned. It's okay to be scared. It's okay that you're not your best right away. But what I will tell you is, it's never okay not to start. Then video after video, my confidence in myself started to grow. And I was not only able to be confident speaking in front of a camera, but also I learned that I can be vulnerable with everybody. And it doesn't make me weak, but actually it even makes me stronger. I stayed less than 200 subscribers for 2 years, 2.5 years even. As I mentioned, I started this in 2021 June, and I was just stuck at 200 subscribers. And I was all the time watching the people or the YouTubers who are like, oh, we got monetized in 6 months, or we got to 100K in 3 months. And then in this situation where you're kind of working hard and it's your dream and you're so passionate about it and you're my age and all of this brings you back to a little something, that question that we all ask ourselves in this situation when we see that people are doing so good with little effort, or this is what we think at that time. And then you just sit back and ask yourself, what is wrong with me? I didn't give up on YouTube though, even though I have been on the platform for 2 years with little to no progress. But I remember that the 12-year-old Sondos had a dream and she has to achieve it. Around October of last year, 2023, a whole shift happened in my mindset, which resulted in a shift as well in my growth on my YouTube channel. I decided to finally be more consistent and to deliver more value with my content. And what did this result, you ask? I went from 200 subscribers to 900 subscribers only in 1 month. This was by me being consistent, planning properly, and posting accordingly. And that was my third lesson. I learned discipline and consistency. Maybe you don't have the perfect content or the perfect tools, but you have a dream, you have hope, and you have a story to tell. And that's more than enough. You are more than enough. Let me use this video to properly introduce myself. Hi, my name is Sondos Ammdadl, or I am known as Sondos Ammdadl, and basically I'm a human above all, and I'm trying to remain a good human because I believe that's what matters. But I am also a marketing geek, and I am a CEO and founder of a couple businesses. One of them is Ammdadl Holding, and I'm the co-founder of Mission Elixir. And also I'm the CEO of Amados Strategies, which is a digital marketing agency. So I am kind of a lot of things, but in the same time in this channel, all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking you with me in my travel journey. And in the same time, I'm going to be taking you with me to my personal development and personal growth journey, kind of combining both of them together. How I use traveling to grow, and who am I as a person, and how did I start from kind of like as geek, or as basically cliche that was going to sound, as a broken soul from before, to where I am right now, to a little bit of an enthusiastic, crazy person, but who loves travel. So I take you on both, where you can learn the tips from traveling, and in the same time taking you with me to my personal development journey. I also share personal growth and personal development tips. It's not only about my journey, but also what I've seen work for me and for other people to you. Because a lot of people, they have potential and they want to grow, but they can't find the right mentor. So I'm hoping that at least at the time being, I can be your mentor in some of the aspects, and I can be able to draw a smile on your face and also help you be a better person. As well as, if you're interested in my entrepreneur journey, I am going to be taking you with me as how did I become an entrepreneur, and how do I have those businesses right now, and how does it feel, and how hard it is to manage those businesses, and how to actually set up your own successful business. If you're watching this and YouTube is your dream, then this video is your sign not to give up on it. I know it can be a little bit tricky, and it also can be a little bit hard, and some days you feel so frustrated, you feel like giving up and oh, nothing is working for me, but there is hope, and maybe I am your hope there, and starting will already give you so much benefits, even if you're not monetized. Now, thank you so much for watching and for taking your time and tuning into this video. I hope it was beneficial, and I hope I kind of took you a little bit into getting to know me. I hope I be a fun person to be around on this journey for you, and thank you so much. Take care, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.